Okay, ready? Okay, go get it. Hey, come on. Hey, look, he's so beautiful. This is what I don't need you hiding. You're fine. You ready? There we go. Get strapped in so we're safe. We can see out the windows. And Ollie gets hooked up so they're restrained and we don't have no problems. Okay? There you go.
There they are.
You ready to go? And we'll go to sleep in here. We'll go for a drive. You were very good guys. You were. Okay, you ready to go home? Yeah. You ready to go home? Okay, let's get going. Just going for a cruise. That's what we like to do. It's kind of a light. That dog's been more places than most humans have in 1 year. You want to go for a walk? Get your backpack on? Yeah. You're going to carry your own treats? Oh, yes you are. She liked it. Okay, ready? Let's put your backpack on. And we got her dog treats and her poop bags. And she's all ready. There, hey? Are you ready to go? What do you think? You ready? Come on. Good girl, come on. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Hey, you got your treat. What you got? What do you got? Are you happy? Are you happy? Can I have it? Okay, I'm gonna get it. Let go, let go. You ready? Good girl, good girl. Oh, yeah, you want me to play again? You want me to play again? Okay. Ready? Over there? Okay, you ready? You ready? Oh, go get it. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Bring it back.